Hi, my name is Heidi Baines, and I'm a coordinator for educational technology at the Riverside County Office of Education. As part of the offerings for the Summer of CS, we'll be hosting a workshop in Bootstrap data science from June 12th to the 16th at the West End Educational Service Center in Rancho Cucamonga. Data science offers many opportunities for our students now and in the future. We're excited to be able to offer this opportunity to educators and expand access to data science classes in our high schools. This 5-day workshop will prepare teachers who are credentialed in science, math, or computer science to teach a data science class at their high schools. Data science can count as a math class or an elective course. Bootstrap data science curriculum will prepare teachers, even those without prior coding experience, to teach a full year of data science at their schools. Participants will also be paid $175 a day for attending and completing the workshop. Breakfast and lunch are also provided. You can find more information about Bootstrap data science and all of our Summer of CS offerings at seasonsofcs.org. Thanks so much, and we hope to see you this summer.